So for me that I can't sing, I actually find it very difficult coming up with vocal samples. But with A Studios, I could just program some midis and I come up with some amazing vocal samples. So today, guys, I'm gonna be showing you how you can come up with amazing vocal samples. In case you can't sing, even if you can sing, this is definitely still gonna be a game changer for you. So without wasting time, guys, let's go. All right, so this is A Studios, and with A Studios you can just convert MIDI into a singing vocal track. So once A Studios open up right here, this is A Studios and they have tons of singers. Once you open up A Studios, we are met up with this interface that look like a normal DAW. So we have the singer track and we also have the audio track. So the audio track is where you drag in your beat or whatever melodic sample you want to use. So I have a beat I'm working on that I actually need a vocal sample for. So I'm just going to drag in that beat and just put it on the audio track. And what I can do is to make sure that the sample is on the right tempo, and the tempo of the beat is 105 BPM. So what I'm gonna do is just drag this tempo bar here to 105. Yeah, we have it on 105. So I could either use this particular singer or I could pick from their various singers they have. So I'm just gonna be changing the singer. I think I'm gonna pick Trey L, and let's just hear what that's gonna sound. So to replace a singer, all you just need to do is drag that singer and replace it on the singer track, and we have a new singer. So I'm just going to create a MIDI track now and start programming in some MIDI so we see how we can get started using A Studio. So I'm just going to double click here, and it has put in a MIDI track, and we have our notes right here. All right, so let's start programming in some MIDI which we can then convert into a song. All right, so the first thing I'm actually gonna do is just play the sample so we hear what the loop that we're working with sounds like, and let me just hit play. Yep, a very nice sample. So what I'm just gonna do now is just go and start putting in some notes. So let's see what we could come up with. Okay, so to put in the notes, we are gonna be making use of all these buttons right here. We have the note move, we have the note brush, we have this note slide, we have the pitch brush, we have the fixed brush, we have the pitch eraser, we have the vibrato, so you could put in your own vibrato. We have in the modulation, all these features are actually going to be very important in making your melody sound really realistic. And you could also add some breaths, you could add air, you could add falsetto, you could add tension, you could add energy, all this just to make the vocal if you're going to create sound really realistic. All right, so I'm just going to click on the note brush to start putting in the note, and we're on the key of C. Let's see what we could. So let's hit our play and see what that two notes we've added sound like, and this is what it sounds like. So I think I want to go an octave, so all I just need to do is select this and hold shift up, and it takes the takes the melody an octave higher. So let's hear what that sounds like. All right, so quickly I've just rushed the process. I've put in all the notes, so let's just hear what it sounds like. And so we can then put in the lyrics, put in the words to what we've created. And to put in the words, all you just have to do is just type it. So I can type like something like "Girl, I like you." Let's see that. Let's hear what that sounds like. Yeah, nice. So you could just go in, type in your lyrics, and it's just gonna sing it for you. Amazing. All right, so quickly I've just typed in some random stuffs. So let's hear what that sounds like. Yes, I think this is a bit loud, so let me just try to reduce these beats a little bit so you can hear what is being said. All right, so let's play it again. Yeah, so you can go in, play around with the notes. So what I can do is just open this up, and let's play with some of the tools and see. So for this, I can use the vibrato to add in some some nice vibrato. Let's go to extend the vibrato. Let's hear what that sounds like. Yeah, so you can hear the vibrato giving it that realistic feel. So let's play it again. So yeah, we can fix something here. So yeah, let's see. We can also just come here and draw in our own pitch. So you could just go like this. Just draw in your own pitch, just to make it everything blend in more. So yeah, you can just draw your own pitch, and let's hear what that sounds like. Yeah, so for this part we can nice. So let's go again from the top and let's just listen. So you can just play around with the play around, make it sound really realistic. We could add in some breaths. And you can add in some energy. So we could come over here. Let's see, maybe want to add some energy here, and at the start of the song let's add in some energy. So you can see the bites came in with more attack. So let's see. Yeah, so I like this. I like how everything is sounding. So what I can do is I can actually just change this and make it to be a choir, to be like it's a choir singing it. So I could just come to this track, right click on it, and turn to a choir track. So let's hit that, and you can select how many choir vocals you want. So I'm gonna stick with 5 and just create choir, and let's hear what that sounds like. So I feel like the reverb is a little bit much, so you can come over to the FX, and this is the reverb, church reverb. So I can just bring it down a little bit, and only you fi think ties me, only you fi dance as it, girl I like it. Alright, so what I can do again is let's go over to the choir vocals, and let me see. Yeah, so this is the choir. So let me delete some of the singers. Let me delete this. Let's delete this, and I can add a new singer. Let me add this, and you can place them wherever you want to place them in the room. You can place them closer to the mic, you can place them further from the mic, so you can actually just put them wherever you want to. And let's see what it sounds like. By me, only you if you think that's me, only you if you dance it, girl I like it. Yeah, let me put them further back. Let's hit play. By me, only you if you think that's me, only you if you dance it, girl I like it. By me, only you if you think that's me, only you if you dance it, girl I like it. And when you're done, you could just export the vocals, and you can just then drag it into your workstation like FL Studio and play around with it. So you could actually use this to create vocal samples in case you're working like on a sample pack and you want to create vocal melodies. You could actually just use A Studios to create some amazing vocal melodies. Yeah, Ben guys, so definitely go try out A Studio. Amazing AI platform. Definitely go try it out, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.